In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve past paper for Punjab University test MCQs, that is, if f of x is a polynomial of degree 9, then the least number of real roots is 3. Solution, that is, since complex roots always come in pairs, so there may be 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 real roots. Hence, there will be at least 3 real roots. So, option B is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.